All right, guys, I just wanted to hop in real quick and show you the best tool for pet hair removal. Now, I just did a Tesla that had a ton of dog hair in it, and if I'm any good at editing this video, I'll try to splice that little piece in there. But I did a daily detail tip on my podcast, and I talked about this tool right here. This is the pet hair removal brush. I'll link it up in the show notes below. It's gonna be about under 10 bucks on Amazon, but this is gonna save you literally hours worth of work if it comes to pet hair on the inside of a car. So go ahead, pick one of these up, save your life. This thing is amazing. And the reason why I like it better than the Pet Stone, that I'll also link below if you want to check out the Pet Stone or the Pumice Stone, is when you're doing like a back seat or a back carpet area or a front carpet area, the stone tends to scratch any plastic that it comes in contact with, versus this is completely rubberized, even has a flexible handle there on the end, and it's not going to scratch anything. So I would really suggest picking up one of these if you're a professional detailer, or you're just a DIY or whatever, or you're just looking to clean out the freaking pet hair out of the back of your car. You need one of these, and basically how you use it is on the surface where there's the pet hair. I mean, it's pretty simple. There's not much more to that. So pick up one of these. I'll link in the show notes below to the Amazon if you want to check it out on Amazon. But here you go.